Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for clicking on this video. So right now we're gonna do a nighttime skincare routine, and this is just the products that I've been using and some new products that have joined my skincare routine. I'm a little bit tired right now, so that's why I can't wait to get into this relaxation routine mode. It really does help with self-care, you know, a little bit of self-maintenance, showing yourself love. So this is this By Nature Vitamin C Collagen Mask that I picked up at Walmart. I hate that it's a wash, rinse off mask, but you know, what can you do? I didn't read the directions before I bought it. So I'm putting this on before my skincare so I can leave it on for 10 minutes and then take it off and start my routine. And vitamin C is supposed to help with brightness. Well, obviously this was $2, so who knows what it does, but it feels good nonetheless. And I'm gonna take some Aquaphor and put it on my lips. Love Aquaphor. And here I'm just showing you guys the Derma Roller. I use the Derma Roller about once a month. I used that the last, like in this week, so that's why I didn't want to do it again. My face was a little bit sensitive, but it's great for exfoliation and opening your pores and everything. And this here, I'm just showing you guys a manual face shaver. I used to use that electrical one, but it started hurting me. It started getting old, so I bought this pack at Walmart, and it's all right. You just have to put in a little bit of work. And right now I'm just showing you guys that I'm doing a little TikTok. I love TikTok. If you don't have a TikTok, get a TikTok. It's fun, unless they ban it, you know. But Pixi, this is a Pixi toner. It's a retinol toner, has jasmine flower. I've been using it for the past year and I'm almost done, and it's been really nice to my skin. What can I say? A toner helps balance and helps prep your skin for skincare, and it's been really nice. Don't forget your neck. I've been also doing the back of my shoulders and just my upper back because I've noticed that I'm getting acne there and I just want to treat that as well. And this is an e.l.f. Hydrating Water essence. And an essence also preps your face for skincare. It's not necessary, but I just like it. It adds an extra layer of hydration and it feels really nice too. It's a little bit thicker than a toner. And then this is a Pixi Overnight Glow Serum. It says that it exfoliates overnight, so I'm guessing it's a chemical exfoliant. I just got this. I'm gonna put up some of the ingredients and what they're for, and it's super thick and it kind of felt a little tingly, so I felt like it was definitely working its magic. And I just started using it this week, so I'm not sure about what it's gonna do, but I like it so far, and Pixi has some great products. This is an e.l.f. Daily Hydration Moisturizer. I got it at Target or at Walmart, one of those places. e.l.f. also has really good ingredients in their skincare, and it felt super lightweight but thick, but you know, lightweight as well, and I really liked it. It smells kind of like laundry, so I wish it didn't have so much fragrance, but what can you do? And now I'm gonna be extra and use this Pixi Phenomenal Gel. It's just a gel. I like using this in the morning because a gel is more lightweight for summer mornings and summer days. But I just wanted to show you guys this as well, and I'll put up some ingredients and what it has and everything. I was just being a little goofy right there. And this is my DIY beauty oil. It has almond oil, jojoba oil, argan oil, rosehip oil, vitamin E. It has a bunch of different oils that I mix together and some essential oils. And I just use it to like set everything, and it gives me an extra layer of hydration because I'm dry. It especially is so good for the winter time. Right now in the summertime, I skip it sometimes. And I'm using my Guasha Stone Massager. I love it as well for, you know, massaging and relieving some of that lymphatic fluid buildup and everything. So it's really great. And then this is a collagen mask that I didn't want to put on, but if you wanted to, you can also set everything off with a mask, a leave-on mask. And this is how I do my skincare routine. Okay, bye.